Hey guys, welcome back. A new update of Paranoid Android is rolling out for many Android devices, which is now Quads 2. Few days back we had the first build and now we have the second build available for many Android devices. As it's an official update, so you can get it via OTA update. If your device is eligible for Quads 2, you should receive a notification of system update. So right now you can see I have already received it on my OnePlus 6 and 60 devices. Tapping on this will show you what all new features and changelog. The update size is around 1.1 GB. So let's download and install this update. Installation process can take around 7 to 8 minutes. And once it's done, you'll get a message that your system is up to date. Later you can reboot your device. After the update, device have been successfully booted up. Let me show you the software information by going to settings, about section. Under Android version, here you can see Android version is 10. Paranoid Android version is Quads 2. We have the 5th April 2020 security patch. With this update, there are lots of improvements done with this build. Performance is now top notch and you'll also see major improvement related to touch. ROM feels much lighter now. Touch response has been improved a lot. That you can notice after installing or updating your device to the latest Paranoid build. Along with the performance part, Paranoid team have also added few missing features. Let's take a look at them. And if you guys are already running Paranoid builds, you should receive an OTA update via system update section. Or else download links are given in the description below. If you want, you can directly update to the latest version. So with Quads 2, here are the new features what they have added. They have added the face unlock feature, new volume panel, new status bar brightness slider, and they have also added support for single tap to ambient display. Talking about the first feature, which is face unlock, that can be found inside the settings, security, and here you have the option to add your face data. So under face unlock, you get these options. We also get the option to skip the lock screen. So whenever you just press the power key, the device directly takes you to the home screen. And then we have a different section which says requirement for face unlock, always require confirmation. When using face unlock in app, always require confirmation step. So that can be enabled from here. And this is a useful feature for the applications like Google Pay and other UPI services. So I've already registered my face now. Let's take a look at the unlocking speed on my OnePlus 6T. We'll turn off the screen. Always on display is enabled. As soon as I turn it towards me, the device gets unlocked. Here face unlock is pretty fast on this build. This was a feature which was missing on almost all the custom ROMs. Initially we got this feature on Havoc and now we also have it on Paranoid Android. Talking about the next changelog, which is related to new volume panel. So yes, with this build they have also redesigned the volume panel. Let me show you that. And here you can see this is the new volume panel which we get it on Paranoid Android Quads 2. At the bottom you also get the option to enable live caption. And with this latest build they have also added the brightness slider in the quick setting panel, which was missing in the previous build. So here you can see we have a brightness slider available in the quick setting panel. And the last changelog is added support for single tap to ambient display, only on the devices with kernel support. So this feature is not working on my OnePlus 6T right now. And if you single tap, you can see the device doesn't wake up. You need to tap it twice to wake up your device. So guys, these are the new additions done on Paranoid Android Quads 2 and it supports almost all the Android devices available in the market. You guys let me know in the comment section below how many of you are using Paranoid Android Quads 1 and what all bugs you guys have been facing. Now let's take a look at the benchmark results using Geekbench application and Antutu Bench application. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 494 and multi-core have scored 2267. With Antutu benchmark application, device scores 3,56,200. So guys, this was a quick look on second build of Paranoid Android for OnePlus 6 and 60. If you have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.